All right, so here we have Model 3 Tesla. What we're going to be doing today is installing some seat covers. These are wet Okole seat covers. They're made of a neoprene and a nylon. They're waterproof. So what we're going to do is install these on the car today. We have front and we have rear. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with the fronts first. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is remove, this is the change catcher for the front seat. So there's some elastic straps with hooks. All right, so there's one. We'll go ahead and get the other one now. All right, so when we put the cover on, these are going to be, we're going to make sure that this is in the upward position here. So we'll go ahead and we'll slip the top cover on now. All right, so once we've identified the driver's side, there is a little decal here that tells you that it is driver's side. Some of the things that we have to do is, one is open this Velcro up. This will what will go in between the top and the bottom cushion. All right, so we'll go ahead and slide our seat on. All right, so we want to tuck our little tails down so we can Velcro them back together. All right, so what we want to do is fold that coin piece up. These are where we put those tabs down, so we'll go ahead and get them Velcroed up. All right, then we'll go ahead and stretch this back underneath, and there's some webbing underneath the seat, some metal crossbars. We'll just go ahead and fasten it to one of them so it's nice and tight. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put the lower cushion on. What we're going to be doing on this one is we have a couple straps to go around, and this will be how this one's held on, so we can adjust it to make it tighter. So we'll go ahead and this one going. So what I do is I just loosen them up a little bit, make the connection, and then once I pull it, it will pull the clip tight. And here we got our drivers in. We'll go ahead and do the same thing on the passenger side. All right, so now we want to do our center console armrest. All right, now we'll go ahead and do the back seat. All right, so now to install the rear seat, we'll go ahead and first pull the seat out. So we have some little latches underneath each one of these. All right, looks like we have a connector. So we'll go ahead and put our cover on our back seat. All right, so now we have our cushion laid out. We'll go ahead and unclip all of our fasteners. Now we'll go ahead and do the seat backs. All right, so we want to take off this headrest here. There's a little hole on the side of this side here. This side has the little detent. So we'll go ahead and remove it like that. All right, we'll go ahead and get our cover slipped on. All right, so you have your child latches are underneath the seat there, making it difficult, like where you would strap your car seat to. You just have to work your way around that. All right, so now we'll go ahead and do the other side. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our armrest cover on. All right, now we'll go ahead and put our center headrest cover on. back seat in and make our seat pressure switches. All right, so there we have our seat covers installed, ready to head to the beach.